Welcome to the virtual walkaround for Ontario Power Generation Facilities. This program is about doing the right thing, preventing risk, and keeping everyone safe. This is the tutorial room to get you ready to walk around and interact in this virtual environment. If you want to repeat the audio at any time during the tutorial, press the button on your right wrist. Look on the wall to see a picture of the controllers. You can refer to this at any time during the tutorial for easy access. Let's practice changing your view without turning your head. Without turning your head, push the control stick to the left to rotate your view. Do the same to look to your right. Use the control stick to rotate your view to the right. To move around, push the control stick forward in the direction you want to walk toward and release it to teleport to that location. For example, try teleporting to the desk. Notice that the area you need to teleport to is green. At each area, you will be asked to sign in at the desk before you can go into the FME area. Do this by interacting with the sheet using your laser. The left side of the sheet will sign you in, while the right side will sign you out and display your report. Use the Y or B buttons on your controller to call out the laser beam and point it at the sign-in sheet. Notice that the sheet has updated and displays the words "Signed in." Next, look in the mirror and check your FME attire. Point your laser at objects that can create a hazard and pull the trigger to remove them. Don't forget to look under your boots. You can wear safety equipment such as helmets, earplugs, glasses, and gloves by either interacting with them using your laser pointer or by grabbing them. As you have learned how to use your pointer to sign in, let's practice by grabbing two pieces of PPE. Move your hand over the object. The object will light up in blue if you can grab it. Press the grip button on the side of the controller to pick it up, and release the object by pressing it again. Have a look in the mirror to see the PPE that has been added to the mannequin. Next, let's do a pipe inspection. Throughout the VR experience, you will be asked to inspect some dark areas. Pick up a flashlight on the desk, and let's practice by inspecting the pipe in the room. The controls for the flashlight will be different depending on which hand you are holding it with. If you are holding the flashlight in your left hand, click the X button on the left controller to use it. If you are holding it in your right hand, click the A button on your right controller to use it. Now you have learned how to identify hazards, look in the pipe, and highlight the foreign materials. Notice that the hazards you identify turn pink. Good job. Hazards in the environment must be identified and reported to a supervisor. Great. Now use your laser to interact with the supervisor in the room. She will remove the hazards that you highlighted.
I have retrieved the foreign materials.
Now that you have learned the different aspects of moving around in a VR environment, move around the room and practice as long as you would like. When you are ready, exit this tutorial room and start working through the following environments: 317, turbine, and new fuel loader.